Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Trickey's daughter is back today and she will show you how to prepare jam and custard donuts. These are the ingredients for the dough. And these are the possible fillings. Note, custard can be used on its own or whipped with double cream to make the custard cream filling. The method. Let's prepare the dough. So sift in the flour. Now add in the yeast, nutmeg and sugar and give it a quick mix. Now add in the eggs, salt and milk. Just bring it together. Now let's move on to the kneading. So knead with the dough hook for about 8 to 10 minutes and add in the water while the kneading is still in progress. Now add in the butter. Make sure the water and the butter is at room temperature. Then continue kneading for a further 4 to 5 minutes. The dough is now ready for the first proofing, so grease with oil. Then cover and set aside in a warm place for it to double in size. Please note, you can place the dough in a warm oven with the light left on. Just make sure the oven is switched off. When the first proofing is done and the dough has doubled in size, tip it onto a work surface and weigh the dough. Now divide the dough equally into small portions by weight. In this case, Trickey's daughter has chosen to divide it by small portions weighing 45 grams each. Now gently roll and shape the portions into round dough balls and arrange them on the large baking tray that has been lined with greaseproof or parchment paper. Please note, leave enough space between the round dough balls for them to be able to expand. We're now ready for the second proofing. So cover with cling film and then set aside in a warm place to double in size. As before, you can place the dough in a warm oven with the light left on. Make sure the oven is switched off. So when there's 10 minutes left for the second proofing, preheat the oil to the temperature shown. Then you can cut out the individual squares of parchment paper under each of the donuts, and when it's time to fry, slide both the donut and its parchment into the hot oil. Cook the donuts for about 2 minutes and drain on a kitchen towel. So repeat the previous step and fry the rest of the donuts in batches. Cook them on each side for about 2 minutes. Then remove and drain them on the kitchen towel. So when the donuts have cooled sufficiently enough to handle, roll them in caster sugar to coat evenly. We're now ready to move on to the next step, which is filling in the donuts with any filling of your choice. So make a hole on one side of the donuts. Then pipe the filling of your choice into the donut until swollen. In this case, Trickey's daughter has whipped the custard with double cream to make the custard cream filling. Now repeat the previous step and pipe the filling into a couple of the other donuts. Similarly, you can fill a piping bag with any other filling. You can use jam, Nutella or caramel. In this case, Trickey's daughter is using strawberry jam, and pipe into the donuts until nicely swollen. And after filling, the donuts are best eaten straight away. They can also be stored for a day in an airtight tin or container. And there you have it, fluffy filled jam and custard donuts. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other bread recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet.